Quorum Information Technologies is a software for car dealerships. So we handle all of the sales, service, parts, and accounting for a car dealership. In addition to that, we handle a bunch of other aspects as well. Key revenue drivers for us are new install revenue, so when we're installing a brand new dealership, but the number one revenue for us is our reoccurring SaaS-based revenue. So every single dealership we charge a reoccurring fee to, and that fee actually, that SaaS revenue stream became 75% of our revenues in Q4 of 2016. Well, there's a few different aspects to how we're different than our competitors. The first one is that our core DMS, our core application for the car dealerships, is a lot more efficient than our competitors. It provides better access to information. As well, on top of that, we've built new pieces in the last 5 years to our application. So one piece is Communicator, which allows emailing and texting through to the dealership's customers. Another piece is the vehicle inspection process, which allows inspections to be done on vehicles' cars as they go through the drive-thru. That drives in another $50,000 of revenue per month per dealership. And then the last piece, and the piece that we're building on now, is Sales CRM. We're really trying to enhance the Sales CRM side of our application to allow the dealership to make sure they don't lose any possible sales and help them drive more sales into the front end of their store. Warranty Finder for us is a third-party product that we found in the marketplace that we integrate into our software. So it's interesting in that it will help a dealership process their warranty a lot more effectively, a lot more efficiently. It also is, we're finding, that drives in more revenue into the store. We've got other third-party products like that we've integrated in. So another one is a company called Autovance, which is a desking software. Once again, it's bringing lots of value to our offering, but lots of value to the dealership as well. Our technology is constantly evolving and changing. We keep all of our dealerships on the same version of our software, so we're always moving them along. We're using the latest and greatest in terms of technology tools. We use the same stack of technology that Google uses to develop all of their applications. For us, it's one of our actual greatest competitive advantages. We look at ourselves as being able to be a lot more nimble than our competitors and to be able to continue to widen the gap between our product and our competitors' products. We've got a number of growth opportunities. So obviously within the markets that we actually sell to, we can continue to earn market share in those particular markets. What we are also doing though is we're integrating to new manufacturers on a regular basis, and as soon as we do, that opens up a whole new market for us. As well, we're also starting to sell more to dealer groups. So in the automotive space, dealership owners may own more than one rooftop and more than one particular nameplate out there. And so for us, as we continue to grow into dealer groups, they are typically a more sophisticated buyer, and so it allows us to really position our value proposition in front of them and allow them, and they get it right away. For us, growth is the greatest challenge, managing the growth, and the driver behind that, of course, is people. So finding really good people, exceptional people, having career paths for people in our company, training, making sure that we're training people and we're making them as effective and as efficient as we possibly can. A number of things. So the first one is we're a revenue growth company, 15% revenue growth over the last 3 years. So that's a big driver for us. We have a SaaS-based revenue model. We have a very low churn among our customer base. We bring a huge value proposition through to the dealership, so we believe we'll continue to grow in the marketplace. We have a very strong balance sheet. So those are some of the exciting things about Quorum. The TSX-V listing means for us two things. The first is transparency. We compete against very large competitors out in the marketplace, so for us to be very transparent really helps us on the sales side, especially when our stock price is appreciating the way it has been over the last couple of years. The other piece for us is we're a very growth-oriented organization. And so a lot of our growth is going through the organic side, but we're also looking at strategic acquisitions out there, and our TSXV listing will allow us access to capital to fund some of those